Hello, this is DJLAMAR2 again. Today we are going to be doing Obi-Wan Kenobi Transformer. Now, for those of you who probably are a big collector of the Transformer or Obi-Wan or any of the Star Wars toys, this is pretty cool. It's got great articulation, as you can see if you press a button if it'll let me. Normally it'll let you shoot the, oh, I think hang on. It'll let you shoot the lightsaber or the torpedo in vehicle mode. Sorry, I am trying to get a good capture of myself. I'm using my webcam. Anyway, this is him in this. We're going to take the lightsabers out now. Because when we transform this thing, we're going to need the lightsabers. So, I'm going to move my camera down to level so that you guys can watch the transform Obi-Wan's I can't remember what they call this stupid thing, spaceship. I can't remember the name of the spaceship from Star Wars. So if anyone knows the name of it, please tell me, because I can't remember it for the sake of me. Okay, first of all, you're going to need this part here to transform the toy, okay? Because first of all, you're going to need to completely take this part off. Trust me, you'll need to, okay? Now, we will snap this part off. Set it to the side. We're going to go ahead and put that like that. That's going to go on the back later on, okay? I can't figure out how to get the rest of it transformed. And then, you are going to take off the bottom of the spaceship. These are your feet, okay? These are the feet for Obi-Wan. Going to take, see, now look at the little peg here. See the little peg? Press it in. Now look at the peg on the back. I'm going to press it upwards. Set him to the side. And you're going to take this guy and set him upwards. And we'll set him to the side. Okay, now there's a trick to his arms and his feet. Or his legs, I mean. Okay? His arms are going to come out. Come on. I think. Give me just a minute. I think it's. Yeah, it's this way, I think. Yeah, no, it's the other way. Yeah, it's the other way. Gotta twist it like that, and you're going to take his other arm, and like I said on the preview, we might have to do it in two parts, okay? Because he's really tough to bring together. So, and like I said on the review, I've not seen anyone do Obi-Wan yet, so that's why I'm doing him. Okay? Now, or any of the Lego Star Wars toys. Now comes the feet. kind of tricky. Because what you're going to want to do is look on the back of him. Now, you're going to take the other side, twist it around. Be careful. His parts do come off. Don't worry. They will go right back on. It happens to me a lot. Okay? And then, as you can see him here, he is now in robot form. Then, going to take in there. I don't know why you're giving me such a hard time today. Okay. Now then. Actually, you're going to twist his leg around. That's what you're going to do. Okay? And then, that's why he's giving me troubles today. So I've got to turn his leg around. There we go. Obi-Wan, this toy here, always gives me trouble. Whether it's transforming him or for some reason, some reason or other. So now we have him in mech mode. But you're probably like, okay, now where's his head? His head, just like in Transformers, which you've seen, probably is inside the top of the spaceship. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what about the lightsabers? Remember those little torpedoes I showed you before? They will go into his hands. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Because it's kind of tricky. Gotta do it the right way. There we go. There's one lightsaber. And the... God, this thing is hard. Other lightsaber. There. And you're probably wondering, okay, now there you told us that the back part, the front part, what about the part you told us about before? I don't know where I put my doggone instructions. I don't know where I put them. Okay. Now, remember that part we told you about before? The back part? Okay. What we're going to do... I think for a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. It might take me two parts, like I said. It might not. Is we're going to take and snap each part of the leg of the Star Wars, or the little blasters, or torpedo thingies, and snap them in. And then, okay, we're going to go to part 2 here, because we're running out of time.